Whether it's damaging homes or closing roads, floodwater has been causing some major headaches. But what's happening under the surface?
News 18's Holly Campbell reports the impact that flooding has on fish and wildlife living in the Wabash River as the river is back on the rise.
Above the surface, it's been nothing but headaches. But below, it's a different story.
There actually is a theory out there called the flood pulse concept that suggests that flooding is actually a really important part of river ecosystems.
So good, in fact, aquatic ecologist Ruben Goforth says fish living in watersheds like the Wabash River rely on floodwater to spawn.
It's pretty well accepted that a good number of them do go up into the floodplain, so they actually do use the water that goes up over the crop fields and into the forest and that kind of thing. And actually, that is considered to often be a very important spawning habitat,
including invasive species like Asian carp. And with water moving downstream and flooding into other watersheds, Dr. Goforth says scientists are concerned Asian carp from the Wabash may reach rivers leading to the Maumee watershed in Fort Wayne.
And we actually have fish that are tagged out in the Wabash River. And so if any of those tagged fish actually go up into the Little River to make that kind of a move, we'll know that they have done so.
A problem many scientists in Indiana didn't have to worry too much about last year due to the drought. Goforth says there was too little water to do research last year, and now there's too much with flooding this year. Opposite problems plaguing rivers and creeks that could be impacting their ecosystems.
There probably are some ecosystem effects to that we don't really understand at this point, because those kinds of events don't typically happen back to back. So it's actually going to be kind of interesting to see how that big change might influence the aquatic ecosystems.
Goforth says it may be years until they're able to understand the impact. Holly Campbell, News 18.